Now is it visible?
Yes, ma'am. Now it's visible.
Okay, let's start. So what
Yes, ma'am.
is Fibonacci series? Okay, so Fibonacci series. So now if I talk about Fibonacci series, suppose a Fibonacci series works on levels. Now if I say level is 5, always it has a standard level of two numbers. Now, what is the standard level of two numbers? We always start with a default two numbers, that is 0 and 1. Always we start with this. They are going to have this standard two level, means by default it is always it will start with the level 2. Did you get it? Because you have two numbers, you have to start with 0 and 1. Fine. So if I say level 5, so how much, the series is going to grow till which number? That we need to see. Now how it works. Actually, this and this number gets added and you get the next number. Did you get it? Again, this
Yes,
and this number gets added, we get the next number. Again, this and this number gets added, we get the next number. So now you can see this is the first level, second level, first, second, third, fourth, and then fifth. Did you get it?
yes, ma'am.
So this way we have got a Fibonacci series of level 5. Now same way if I have to go for level, if I have to go for level 10, so how will I go? Again, I will start with 0 and 1, standard, two levels. Then again, I will
Yes,
add this and this, I will get 1, third level. This and this I will add 2, this and this I will add 3, then this and this I will add, it will be 5, this and this I will add 8, this and this I will add, it will be 13, this and this I will add, it will be 21. Now let's see how many levels I have reached to. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So one more level, that is 34. So this is the series. Did you get it?
yes, ma'am.
So how the program is going to go for it? I'm just showing you. We will start, as I said, the standard level of Fibonacci series starts with 0 and 1. So we have to take a variable a, which is going to point to this 0, and one more variable b, which is going to point to 1. Did you get it? So for the third level, we can get it by adding what? A plus b, correct? A plus
Yes,
b, and I will get it in C. I will get this value within C. Got it?
yes, ma'am.
So third level, I got it in C. Now, if this one is C, next I have to repeat the same thing that I have done for here
B
for
plus
the rest,
B, right?
for the rest of the numbers. For the rest of the
Yes, ma'am.
numbers means the C should become A. The B should become A. Then C
And
should
C.
become B, and then these two should get added, and I should get the third C. Again, next level, B should become A, C should become B, and then I will get the next one as C. So
Yes,
the first three steps that I have taken should be repeated for the other levels also. So when you're putting a loop, when you put a loop, while loop or a for loop, you always will start with level 3. So if I in range what? You will go for in range, in the bracket, you will go for 3. Why? Because 2 has already been set. Two levels are already been given. Correct or not?
yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
two
Yes,
numbers
ma'am.
are already been taken. So I need not to work with that. So it will start from 3 and then it will go till what? It has to go till the level 10. If I have given 10, you need to go till 11 this way. Did you get it? And there are three
Yes, ma'am.
steps inside the loop. First is that you will put the B's value in A's value, and as I have said, you will start with the initial value as A equals to 0 out here, B equals to 1 out here. Okay, so you can see that A equals to 0, B equals to 1. This is the standard input that you are getting. Okay, but gradually when the program grows, A's value is not going to be 0, B's value is not going to be 1. It will be taking different values, but standard value The default value that we got started with was 0 and 1. Because of that, I have taken that value above the for loop. Are you getting me? Got it? So after that, what is the step? After that, what is the step? Step is add. You need to add the value. So if I have to add the value, then I have to start with what? C is equals to A plus B within the loop. First step. So 0 plus 1. 0 plus 1, I will get the C for this third level. Did you get it? Then I will print. I will print the C. And I will also print here before the for, I will also print A comma B. I will also print A comma B. After taking A, let me do it in a fresh page so that you can understand properly the program. A is equals to 0, I will take. B is equals to 1, I will take in the initial stage. Then what I will do, I will print the values of A comma B, because I have to print. My series is supposed to level 10. So this is now printed. 0 and 1 is printed. Now what I have to do? I have to go for I in range 3 comma 11, because the level is 10. So out here, the next step is what? C is equals to A plus B, because I have to add the numbers. I have taken A and B. I need this 0 should get added with 1. Correct? 0 should get added with 1. So what should happen? That A plus B should get added and the value should come into C. Yes or no? Are you getting me? After that, you need to print the value of C. After printing the value of C, you will get 1 again. Then again, what you have to do? As I said, B's value should become A's value. So A will be equals to B and B will be equals to C. Means current value of B is this. B is here, C is here. I am saying B's value should go to A, C's value should go to B. So current value of A and B is 1 and 1. Now again, this loop is going to go up. This loop is going to go up and then it's going to take A and B, this 1 plus 1, and then it will print the next value as 2. Then again, this will get shifted, A and B, this will become A and B. And then again, it will get added. So 3 steps, as I said, 3 steps. This step, this step, this step. And then this way the loop is going on. Did you get it?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you understood the program?
Ma'am, then if in case of user input numbers, we'll just change it, like if A is equal to 0, we'll just change it to A is equal to int input, enter the number like that.
No. That's what I said. Fibonacci series always starts with 0 and 1. Always. The user input will be for only for the level. Only for the level. The level will change. This time the program that I have explained, it was for 10. User can give 20 next time. So this part will change. This will be a user input. This can be an n. Okay, means n plus 1. It should be n plus 1.
Okay.
Yeah, but
So
the
level
rest,
means the last number.
but the rest is always, it will start. A and B will always start with 0 and 1. That is never a user input. Fibonacci series means it is starting from 0 and 1.
Okay.
And it will go up. So what is the stopping condition of Fibonacci series? That what till which level you need to go.
Then the level given should be
Yes.
it
Yes.
should until.
Correct. Understood? Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.